guys, it's your girl Lola again, and I'm back with another video. This video, I'm just going to restyle this Barbie doll. Received her in the mail. She was used, and I had this dress from an old Barbie doll I had. I got the old Barbie doll from the mail as well, and they gave me this dress with it, and I liked the dress, the front of it and the back, but I didn't care for this print. So what I'm going to do, I am going to restyle the dress. I still love the top of the dress, so I'm going to restyle the dress, and I'll be back step by step. And I also got to fix some shoes for her, do her hair, fix her shoes, and do this dress. So step by step, here we go. Okay, now first I'm going to do the dress first, because the dress I think is going to be the hardest. So I'm going to cut the front of this material off from the dress, and I think I'm going to use some lace and hot glue the lace in front of the dress. So we'll be back with the next steps. Okay, the dress, the front of the material is cut off the dress, so I'm going to hot glue some lace on the front, and that should be finished with the dress. So be back with the next step. Okay, next I use flexi rods and rubber bands to hold the curls together. I'll be dipping this in some hot boiling water to give her some curls, some type of bend to her hair. So I'll be back with the next step. Bye. Okay, all done now. Okay, for her hair, y'all, her hair did not hold the curl at all. I don't know what type of hair this is, but it's synthetic, you know, like Barbie doll hair, but it just didn't hold a curl. Then I tried to put some crimps in it. I have a little crimp on it, and it kind of started burning her hair. So I said, you know what? I don't got time for her hair. Then I just said, what can I do to her hair? So I said, let me do some bandeau knots in her hair. So I did some knots in her hair. Then I put some of that lace material and made like a ribbon for her hair, a bow on her head. Then I added, I just like a little jacket, not a jacket, just like a little cover up the lace right there around her shoulders. And then, you know, I did the hot glue the lace on the dress and then her heels. So I think it came out, she looked phenomenal. Gave a different look. What y'all think? I like it. In the comments down below, do you like it? You don't like it? And let me know whatever videos you want to see me do with, you know, DIY concerned. Anyway, it's your girl Lola. I'll be back, y'all. Bye.